just a showcase of my Python project. I made a stone paper scissors game. So first of all, you need to import the random module, and then these are the variables. So what happens is that the computer tracks user wins, computer wins. These are the options. This is just a Python list. Sorry, this is the user input, computer pick, which is the what the computer picks, and this is basically what the user picks. So you're in the while loop. This is basically the whole game loop. What happens is the user input, the computer asks the user to choose an option that could be stone, paper, scissors, or he could enter Q to quit. The reason why it says dot lower here is because it's easier for me to just check if he has entered quit. If he enters capital Q or small q, if he enters capital Q, it will be converted to small q. So that's good for me. I can just write this rather than writing or user input equal to capital Q break. So that's better. Random number is equal to random 0, 2. This basically just chooses a random number from 0 to 2, and the reason why it chooses a random number from 0 to 2 rather than 1 to 3 is because Python lists are ordered from 0, then 1, then 2 rather than 1, 2 and 3. So that's nice. Computer pick. Now what this does is, as I said, it is ordered, the index of it is ordered from 0, 1 and 2 rather than 1, 2 and 3. So suppose the computer randomly picks out, let's say 2. So it will use stone, that is 0, 1, that is paper, and 2, which is scissors. So it will pick scissors as its pick, the computer will, and then it will print what the computer picked. Here it will say computer picked dot title. So basically the scissors will be capitalized. Elif user input not in options, invalid input. Basically if you enter something other than stone, paper, scissors or Q to quit, it will give you invalid input, and then it will continue the loop, whereas here it will quit the loop. If the user input is stone and computer pick is scissors, the user wins, because if I use stone and the opposing player picks scissors, then I win. If I pick paper, the opposite picks stone, I win. If I pick scissors, opposite pick paper, he wins. You know the drill. And what I basically did is, since I typed all of this out, I was feeling a bit lazy, so I thought rather than typing everything out for the loose conditions, I will just type everything out for the tie conditions, the draw conditions. And so everything else will be in the loose conditions, since I already did the quit option and the invalid input option, right? So what happens after you run and after you've lost? Actually, these variables, I made them so they can keep track of how many times you've won and how many times the computer has won. So here it will print u1 user wins time, u1 computer wins times. If the user wins is greater than computer wins, this is simple, very simple. If I won more times than the computer, it will say I won more than 10 times than the computer. If not, then it will say the computer won more times than me. And if we tied, then it will just print that you and computer won the same amount of times, and then it prints a goodbye. I'll test run it so you can get a bit better look at it. Okay. It takes quite a while to load, I don't know. Okay, let's say stone. The computer picked paper. I lost. That is unfortunate. Let's pick paper. Computer picked stone. I won. Wow. Let's pick scissors. The computer picked stone. I lost again. Let's pick paper. I won another time. I won. I want to see if it ties. Yeah, see here it ties, and let me just enter anything. So yeah, invalid input. That is nice. The computer pick stone is actually a really weird thing here because it should not be showing them, but this is a very beginner level project, so things like these are okay. So stone and paper, and yeah, I'll just quit now. And the computer pick paper again, this should not be showing, but this is a beginner level project, it does not matter, right? It's fine, it's fine. It shows that I won 4 times and the computer won more, and the computer won 2 times. I won more times than the computer. Goodbye. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, but I'm gonna be back with another one soon.